Hello, Namaste. It's me, Khumraj Pandey. Today we are going to discuss about the punctuation marks or important symbols. These symbols or punctuation marks are used in different languages or in different sentence while writing. Look here. So we are going to discuss about the punctuation marks, those specific or very important symbols today. Look here. Question mark. This is question mark. Full stop. Look here, full stop. Comma. Look here, comma. Colon. This is said colon. Or this is semicolon. Semicolon. Look here. And this mark is said exclamation mark. Exclamation mark. And this is apostrophe. What is this? Apostrophe. Inverted comma. This is inverted comma. Slash. Look here. Slash. Dash. Look at dash. Hyphen. This is a hyphen. You look here, dash and hyphen. Hyphen is shorter than dash. Look here. Ellipsis. Look here. This is ellipsis. Percent. Look here. Percent. Equal. Look. Equal. Hash. Look here. Hash. Square bracket. This is square bracket. Curly bracket. Look here. Curly bracket. Greater than. Look here. Greater than. Less than. At the rate. Look here. At the rate. Okay. You know the important symbols and punctuation marks. In the next video, we will discuss about the specific usage of those punctuation marks one by one. This much for today. Okay, if you want to watch such videos, don't forget to follow our pages and profiles from where you have been looking the videos. Thank you very much.